ready to blast your Ethereum from Binance straight into your Metamask wallet. Let's dive into a super simple, secure transfer guide, step by step. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the wallet section usually found at the top of the screen. Click on Fiat and Spot. Find Ethereum in your list of assets, then click the Withdraw button next to it. This is how we initiate the transfer out of Binance. Now, hop over to your Metamask wallet. Make sure your network is set to the Ethereum mainnet. Copy your Metamask wallet address. This is crucial. Double check it. Back on Binance's withdrawal page, paste your Metamask wallet address into the address field. Binance will likely auto-detect the network as Ethereum, but always verify it yourself. Choose the correct network. Ethereum, also known as ERC20. Selecting the wrong network can result in a loss of funds, so be extra cautious here. Enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer. Remember to consider the network fees that Binance will charge, which will be shown under Receive Amount. Click Withdraw and carefully review all the transaction details one last time. Binance may require to FA verification via email and your Authenticator app, so complete those steps to confirm. Head back to your Metamask wallet. The transaction will initially show as pending. Wait patiently, and once it's confirmed on the blockchain, your ETH will appear in your wallet. Congrats. That's all there is to it. Remember to always double check addresses and networks for secure transfers. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.